Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today gonna show you how to check the RAM of your Samsung Note 10 or Note 10 Plus. To this operation, go to your settings here, device care, and go to your memory here. As you see, you have see the available space of your RAM, system and apps, and reserve it. You can clear it or the RAM here to speed up your phone. That's it. This is the wall of the RAM here, and use it right now. And apps that weren't checked, no apps here. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!